Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 10-minute workout for sexy shoulders, okay? So we're just going to be working out those shoulders today. I have with me two 3 kg dumbbells, so that's all you're going to need. Nothing else, okay? Nothing heavier. 3 kilograms. If you're a beginner, use 1 or use 2 kg dumbbells. Let's get started, okay? So we have 50 seconds on. 10-second break, okay? And our first exercise is going to be regular overhead press, okay? Let's go. So I want you to keep your core nice and tight, okay? None of this, all right? Keep your core tight. Pelvis slightly tucked in, okay? That lower back is nice and safe. And we're not bringing the dumbbells down to here. We're not resting, okay? Keeping those elbows, okay, about parallel with the floor, okay? So the shoulders are engaged at all times. All right, keep that up. Good, keep it up. 15 more seconds. Comment down below
10 seconds.
which body part is your favorite, okay? I'm curious because I love me some good shoulders. Right now, 10-second break, and our next one is going to be alternating overhead press. But shake those shoulders off, okay? 3. Let's go. Good. So hold the other arm about here, okay? Not lower. Here, you still want that shoulder engaged. So remember also, when you're doing your overhead press, don't go like this, yeah? We're not doing hooray, all right? What we're doing is going up and in towards the middle, okay? Keep that up. Very good. Keep going.
Ten seconds.
Whew, it's burning already. Breathe, okay? Breathe nicely. Right, quick break. And we're on to lateral raises, okay? So, as we all know, because I keep talking about it all the time, lateral raises, elbows have to be up, okay? I don't want to see this, all right? I'm going to keep talking about it because this is very important if we want nice shoulders, okay? Elbows and wrists in line, like this, okay? Very good. That's right. Keep it up. Very good. Keep going. 20 more seconds. Ten more seconds. Keep it up. So thirsty, but we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to alternate, okay? So one arm is going to stay up. So like this. Bam, 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 okay? Bam, 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 bam. Whew. Keep going. Good job, keep it up. Whew. Bam, 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 bam. Good, keep it up. Bam, bam.
10 seconds.
Bam, 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 bam. Keep it up. Bam, bam. Okay, now onto rear delt flies. Okay, so your rear delt flies is the back of your shoulders. Okay, so we do it like this. Elbows are forward. Okay, imagine you're like a puppet. Okay, so if someone is pulling the strings that are attached to your elbows, okay, above, yeah, bam, 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 bam. Keep it up. Bam, bam. Very good. Bam, bam. Keep it going.
10 seconds.
So the back of that shoulder needs to be trained as well. All right, quick break. And we're going to do front raises now. All right, quickly. So nice and simple front raise. Very good. Keep that going. Come on, push through. Push through. 15 more seconds.
10 seconds.
Good, relax. 10 seconds and we're doing alternating front raise, okay? All right, bring it up, down and up, down and up. Oh, it's bad. Come on, guys. Right, shake it off quickly. All right, we have 20 more seconds of this, okay? Bring it up. All right, down and up, down and up. Keep it up. Try not to shrug your shoulders, okay? Shoulders are staying down, okay? Wow, that was tough. Right, now we're gonna do upright rows, okay? So with this one, your elbows are going up like this, all right? So keep your dumbbells together and up like this. Perfect. Keep that up. Very good, keep going. Deep breaths.
Ten seconds.
Good job. Nice, right, we're gonna go around the world. Let's go. Okay, so on this one, be very careful with your shoulders, okay? If you have any clicking in your shoulders, all right, as long as it's not painful. Come on. Keep going. 15 more seconds of this, okay? If you have any pain, simply switch
10
to
seconds.
lateral raises, okay? I mean, soreness is okay. Talking about kind of the pain that feels wrong, okay? Right, now, I'm gonna do alternating upright rows, okay? Let's go. Last one, you guys. Keep it strong, keep it together. 20 more seconds. Come on, push. Push through it.
Ten seconds.
Woo. All right, you guys, that was a nice crazy burn. Well done for completing this workout. Like this video, share with anyone who needs to do this, and subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also don't forget to click down below and go and join the community/course where I'm going to teach you how to lose fat and gain muscle. Okay, so how to earn the body that you really deserve, okay, and maintain it long term without crazy dieting, without doing tons of cardio. Okay, it's going to be amazing. I'm already running it with my first cohort. Before the end of the year we're finishing, so it's going to be exciting. All right, but I'm starting the new cohort the new one in January. So please, if you want to join down below. But I'll see you on the next one.